How to build wealth over 30 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $183,479. $200 monthly contribution grows to $353,690. $300 monthly contribution equates to $523,902. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $694,113. $500 monthly contribution becomes $864,324. $600 monthly contribution grows to $1,034,535. $700 monthly contribution turns into $1,204,747. $800 monthly contribution becomes $1,374,958. $900 monthly contribution grows to $1,545,169. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $1,715,381. It'll require a monthly contribution of $580 over 30 years to accrue $1,493.